If you're trying to figure out how to get more customers using AI, this is the video for you. We're going to go through 3 ways to use AI for your business to get more customers. So, we're going to go through 3 ways, and I'm going to show you the exact platforms I would use to do this. So, what are the 3 ways to get more customers? Number one, you can be using AI to answer customer service. So, providing that as a service for business. Number two, providing analytics to get more customers. And three, lead generation for yourself or your customers. What does that look like? Well, let's take a look at these 3 different websites to see how you could use this for your customer. Number one, you could have Chatbase. Now, Chatbase is a platform where you can create custom GPTs for your business. So, if you're going to be getting more customers, say for instance, your customers are electricians, plumbers, or an online business, and they feel overwhelmed with customer service and answering questions, you could create their own custom chat bot using Chatbase. In just a few minutes, and we have a full video breakdown how to use Chatbase, you can do this and offer this as a service. So that allows you to get more customers. There's tons of people offering to create websites for them, doing things for Google My Business, and the list goes on and on. But if you create a chat bot for them to increase their customer service, answer more questions, get more leads, that leads to more customers for yourself. In the comment section down below, let me know, are you a freelancer or an agency? And if you're looking for more than 50 plus ways to make a high profitable side hustle, we have a resource guide down below for you to check out. So that's number one, creating a chatbot for customer service. The next one you could be looking at is something called Conduit. Now, this is going to be a GPT like answers for your business, but what allows this to stand out is creating a platform or creating a resource using Conduit as the platform to analyze their data. Bottom line, if they're making money and they don't understand their sales, how they can be making more money, you could be using Conduit to give them a report and understanding, a summary in plain English, how they're actually making money and what should they be doing next for the next 1 or 2 steps to make more money. So this allows you to look at different solutions based on the different problems, and you could use this to offer as a analytics or a report for their business for them to get a grasp on their data. Comment section down below, let me know. Are you more into numbers? Do you have clients that are online business sellers? Are they selling wholesale? Are they have their own Shopify store? Whatever it is, wherever they're having their data source, you can connect it with Conduit to get answers for their business. The next thing that I would be looking at is Snovio. This is a site where you can start doing a couple different things. Number one, you can have the automation for outreach if they're going to be doing something where they know what kind of profile they're looking for on LinkedIn. It can start looking at different profiles, doing the automation, doing all of those different things. But I would really look at the solutions for other parts that they have as well. So that way you can start automating all the things that they need to get even more sales. So if we're looking at not only LinkedIn, but maybe we need to start finding emails for multiple businesses, you can be doing that. If you need to have AI generation for warm emails, you can be doing that as well. So depending on what they need in their business to make more sales, you could be already installing this in their business for them to have a clean pipeline for them to make more sales, and you can just again offer this as a service. Not only that, you can do this to get more customers yourself. So you could use all these different tools depending on where your target audience hangs out. You can use something like this platform as well. And the last one I would be looking at too is Pickaxe, where I could make them an expert on the go. So if they're a coach, if they're a therapist, whatever it might be, and they want to go from one to many, they don't have any more slots available for one on one work. You can also have them create AI tools using Pickaxe for their own expertise to get more customers? In the comment section down below, which platform would you like to use or learn more about? We're constantly doing different videos and reviews on different tools. Let me know which one you would like to learn more about. And if you want more ideas for over 50 plus high profit side hustles, the link is down below to get this guide today. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week, and I'll see you in the next video.